Welcome back, everybody. So the car is done, as you know if you watched the last video or two, and we're pretty much in the preparation stages for the show, first show of the season, which is next Saturday, today being Saturday. And so I thought I'd make a quick little video just talking about some things that you should have, some things that everyone should have, and some things that even I don't have that I should have. So let's talk about what those are. We're talking safety equipment. So here's what I got to show you guys. So first, the most obvious, obviously, is a helmet. I like this one because it fits snug. Obviously, as you can see, I've taken a few little dings in my time in the Derby. This kind of helmet, it's a motorcycle helmet, and it uses these. So I'll just put one of these on right before the show. I got a clean one for the upcoming show. Guys tell me all the time that you need to get like a dirt bike helmet with you know, a thing and protect your face and everything like that. Not a bad idea. I just like to be able to see, have maximum visibility, and you know, if I get hit in the jaw then and spoils my good looks, then I guess that's my wife's problem. So a helmet obviously is huge, and I think most every show requires a helmet, so you're probably not running without one. The next one, and also very important, this is a neck brace. So I wear one of these, so you know, my head will sit inside the helmet, and this neck brace will protect me from getting whiplash and smacking my neck around throughout the show. This is a must-have, I would say. This is a back brace. I wear a back brace. This one's a cheapy one that you can get. I like this one too because it's got a pad on the back here for my lower back. Again, you would wear a back brace for the same reason that you would wear a neck brace. As the car's taking hits and you're getting flung around in there, it just kind of holds everything together. And you know, Derby's no fun if you wind up in the hospital. So back brace, good set of driving gloves. I don't know if these are a good set of driving gloves. These are batting gloves, baseball batting gloves. I wear these because they're comfortable, and I can still feel things with my fingers. If a pair of gloves is too thick and I can't, you know, feel what I'm doing, I don't really like them. But yeah, a good pair of gloves is nice to have because, you know, I've driven without gloves and I've, you know, been gripping the steering wheel real tight. You take a hit, it's gonna move that steering wheel around and can actually, you know, tear the skin off of your palms and stuff like that. And then the last one, which unfortunately I had but I no longer have because it got ruined, was a fire jacket or a fire suit. I may have one here in time for Saturday. I may not. I'll run regardless. But a good fire jacket, obviously there's the chance of fire. You've got a fuel tank sitting right behind you. You've got transmission fluid that can get hot and burn. You have, you know, things, you take most of the stuff out of the, take pretty much all the stuff out of the car that can burn, but there's still ways that a fire can happen. And a burn is no fun. So I also, even though I don't have one to show you, I do also recommend a fire jacket or just a full racer's fire suit. So I'll do a couple of these short little videos leading up to the show. Just important things that aren't necessarily related to the car, but that are important for derbying. So helmet, neck brace, back brace, gloves, fire jacket, safety first. So See you guys on the next one.